Hybrid cameras come with an array of exceptional features that let you capture stunning photos and videos. However, picking the right one on a budget can be tricky. So in today's video, we'll show you the top 10 best hybrid cameras just under $1,000. So let's get started. This is the Nikon Z50, a hybrid camera that packs a punch with its impressive features and innovative design. With its wide Z mount lens, this camera system offers unparalleled light-gathering advantages, allowing you to capture stunning photos and videos even in low-light conditions. Equipped with a 20.9-megapixel DXC-MOS sensor and powered by the robust XP6 engine, the Z50 produces professional-quality images. And if you're into vlogging or taking selfies, the camera has got you covered. With its flip-down LCD screen and self-portrait mode, you can easily take stunning self-portraits or easily capture your daily vlogs. Plus, with its incredible video specs, including 4K Ultra HD, time-lapse, and 1080p slow motion, you can unleash your creativity and capture your next showstopper with the Z50. All in all, the Nikon Z50 is a fantastic hybrid camera that truly delivers on its promise of high-quality photos and videos. Let's delve into the Sony ZVe E10, a camera that's truly exceptional and tailored for vloggers who crave a polished and professional look for their videos. With its large APS-C type 24.2 megapixel sensor, the ZVe E10 delivers images that are 10 times more detailed than those captured by typical smartphone sensors. Its ability to gather an abundance of light and image data ensures that noise is kept to a minimum, resulting in a stunningly clear and crisp visuals. Moreover, this camera comes equipped with a directional 3-capsule mic and white screen, making it the perfect choice for vloggers who prioritize high-quality audio on the go. The face and eye autofocus feature is another standout feature that's sure to delight content creators. It tracks the subject's face and eyes, ensuring that the camera stays focused even when there's no time to fiddle with additional settings. Looking for a camera that can keep up with your fast-paced lifestyle? Look no further than the Sony Alpha6100. With its reliable autofocus system, you can trust that this camera will capture all of your action-packed moments in sharp focus. But it's not just the autofocus that makes this camera stand out. The 24.2 megapixel sensor and enhanced image processing engine work together to produce stunningly detailed images with natural textures. And if you're into video, the camera has got you covered with its full pixel readout for high-resolution 4K recordings, as well as HDR and slow and quick motion options for even more creative control. Whether you're capturing stills or video, the Sony Alpha6100 is the perfect tool for anyone who wants to take their photography to the next level. If you're a content creator or a budding photographer, the Canon EOS M50 Mark II is an exceptional hybrid camera that ticks all the right boxes. With a powerful 24.1 megapixel sensor, this camera delivers outstanding image quality with minimal noise even in low-light situations, thanks to its impressive ISO range from 100 to 25,600. It is capable of recording 4K UHD 24p and HD 120p for slow motion, making it an excellent choice for videography enthusiasts. The vari-angle touchscreen LCD is a dream come true for vloggers and allows for various composition options. With the convenient vertical video, touch record control, and movie self-timer features, the Canon EOS M50 Mark II is an excellent choice for content creators who want to create stunning videos and photos without breaking the bank. And now meet the Fujifilm XT32, a camera that takes your photography game to new heights. This camera is equipped with a 4th generation X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor that boasts a whopping 26.1 megapixel back-illuminated imaging sensor. The X-Trans color filter array is unique and reduces moire and false colors without the need for an optical low-pass filter. This feature guarantees color accuracy and sharpness that is unmatched by its peers. But the magic doesn't end there. The autofocus system is best in class, reaching blistering speeds across the frame, ensuring you capture every opportunity without missing a beat. It adapts to your photography needs, offering a range of shooting modes that caters to both beginners and professionals alike. Okay, now let's check out the Olympus M10 Mark IV. This compact mirrorless camera is the perfect companion for any photographer on the go. With its lightweight build and easy portability, its TruePic processor ensures that every shot is bright and sharp, while the built-in 5-axis image stabilization system allows for up to 4.5 EV steps to keep your shot steady even in low light. You can choose from a wide range of settings to capture the most challenging shots, whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or action shots. It also shoots ultra-high-definition 4K videos with stunning detail and breathtaking color. Whether you're shooting a family vacation video or a short film, this camera will make sure that every moment is captured in all its glory. The Panasonic Lumix G9 is a true powerhouse when it comes to professional-level performance, making it the perfect choice for those looking to capture stunning images. Equipped with a 20.3 megapixel micro four thirds sensor, this camera is designed to deliver sharp and high-quality images with a high dynamic range and no unwanted artifacts. But what sets the G9 apart from its competitors is its rugged and splash freeze-proof design. Its magnesium alloy body can withstand heavy use out in the field, making it the ideal camera for outdoor enthusiasts. Additionally, its weather-sealed joints, dials, and buttons ensure that no matter the conditions, the G9 will always perform at its best. Speaking of video, the G9 records silky smooth 4K 60p video with 10-bit color depth and slow motion effects that will blow you away. Get ready to capture your best shots yet with the Canon EOS RP, a full-frame mirrorless camera that's both portable and easy to use. It comes with a Digic 8 image processor and 26.2 megapixel CMOS sensor, which delivers outstanding performance, ensuring that every shot you take is of the highest quality. And with the option to use any EF or EFS lens with an optional mount adapter or any of the dedicated RF lenses, you'll be able to unleash your creativity and capture the perfect shot every time. But that's not it. The EOS RP is also designed with visual storytellers in mind, with a compact frame that's perfect for those who are always on the go. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or action shots, the EOS RP delivers the performance and versatility you need to get the job done. The Sony Alpha6100 is a high-quality hybrid camera that can capture your world and help you share your vision with others. This camera is designed to capture special moments and portraits with stunning image quality and speed. Its strong AI-based subject tracking algorithms are one of the Sony Alpha6100's standout features. This technology processes massive volumes of spatial data at high speed and in real time, ensuring that you never miss a moment. Additionally, the camera's innovative eye detection algorithms have been adapted to animals as well as humans, making it easy to capture sharply focused pet portraits and beautiful wildlife shots. The camera's realistic color reproduction is another cool feature that delivers natural-looking images. And lastly, we have the Nikon Z5, a camera that comes with jaw-dropping features. Despite its compact size, the Z5 delivers powerful performance and sophistication that is perfect for photographers of all skill levels. The camera's 24.3 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor further enhances this performance by producing lifelike 4K UHD videos, ultra-shallow depth of field, and clean low-light shots. Moreover, it's powered by Nikon's fast and comprehensive X-Speed 6 image processing system, which is the secret behind the camera's exceptional photo and video quality, autofocus performance, low-light capabilities, distortion control, image clarity, and color reproduction. This system allows you to push the limits of your creativity and capture stunning images that truly stand out. Overall, the Nikon Z5 is an excellent choice for photographers who want to take their skills to the next level. So this was our list of the top 10 best hybrid cameras just under $1,000. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and share it with your friends if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.